Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing one lunch menu, that is fish and drumstick curry. Along with that I will be sharing what I did with the mint from my backyard, one way of preserving it and one recipe too. Now quickly let's get started. See, I am just removing all the ripe cherry tomatoes you would have seen in my previous vlogs, where I removed all the raw tomatoes as the weather was getting bad. I kept it over the counter every day, 2 or 3 or sometimes little more also. This type of cherry tomatoes and normal tomatoes, they get ripened and I keep them like this. Very nice to play with these tomatoes. Always it's fun to just hold these cherry tomatoes. I use all these cherry tomatoes mostly in my salad, and the rest of the tomatoes I use in making the curry. So all the tomatoes at the end of the season are fully utilized, nothing got wasted. Likewise, I plucked all the mint from the garden also. Lot of mint came from my garden, and you can see it is second or third time I am removing all this mint from the backyard. Now I will be just removing all the leaves, nicely wash them, and I just preserved it in two different ways. Also I made one recipe. All that I will share at the end of this video. First I will share the lunch menu which I have planned to share today. Today in our house I prepared fish curry, a little traditional recipe. This is fish with drumstick curry, very tasty and very delicious. For that I have taken one large onion and one large tomato, little onions chopped for the tempering also, and I have used drumstick. This drumstick is frozen drumstick. Always I keep in my freezer, either for sambar or for these kind of curries and all. Fresh also you get, but not very often. All that onion and tomato I have made into paste. Now I have taken enough oil in that hearty tempering. Tempering I used is mustard seeds, curry leaves, nice jeera, fenugreek, and a little bit of onions, and also turmeric powder, chili powder, dhania powder, salt to taste. All these things nicely fried. Don't let it burn. Instantly add the tomato and onion paste. Always when preparing this curry, keep this tomato onions paste very much ready so that you don't burn the tempering. Now I am adding the drumsticks. These are frozen only, but don't think they don't have flavor or not looking fresh and all. They are equally good. We often use it, and they also taste the same as like that of the fresh ones. Add enough water and check the salt. Give it a good mix and cover it and cook for at least 10 minutes or until the drumstick is well done. On the other side, I have taken salmon fish. To that added salt, chili powder and oil. Nicely give it a good mix and fry it in oil from both the sides, not well done, just light until the raw smell of the fish is gone. Now transfer these fried fish into the curry, and to that I have also added the tamarind pulp or the puree as much as you like, and also add little bit of water, followed by coriander leaves. Coriander leaves will give nice fragrance to the curry. Gently mix it, don't mix it too fast or your fish pieces will break. That's it. Cover it and cook for at least 5 minutes on low medium flames, and you will see the oil has completely separated and our traditional salmon and drumstick curry is very much ready. Any kind of rice combo, this papad is like cherry on top. Very tasty papad. These are sabudana papad. Now it's time for plating our food. Even the normal simple food also, you serve it in a different way itself will make your dish much more special and will make it tasty too. That's what I'm doing. Normal white rice I'm serving with this special curry which I prepared, salmon and drumstick. Very traditional recipe, served in a very elegant way. Definitely all of you try it. and I'm sure you will love it too. Here the weather is very windy and all the leaves have already fallen, and you can see it's a very dry weather almost from fall to winter. Now let's come to our mint. All the mint I have nicely washed and I'm just filling it up in the blender. This blender cup is a very big jar. I have taken ginger, garlic, green chili, salt and zira. To that I'm adding little bit of tamarind puree also. I will just blend all this together. You can see very less liquid only is there. The liquid I'm going to add is in the form of ice cube. This is another tip for keeping the mint nice and green. It will stay green in the fridge itself for at least 10 days, in the freezer little more longer. So all the mint came in two small, one large bottle, one small bottle, and this ice cube tray. Little bit of mint I used for making. Instantly I made mint rice. Very simple and easy. I have taken enough oil in that, mustard seeds and urad dal for tempering. Just I added turmeric powder and onions. That's all. Rest all is in this mint itself. In mint we have added so many things, right? Ginger, garlic, zira and chilies also. So I did not add anything. Only little bit of salt I adjusted and added a handful of cashews. That's all. I had leftover rice. Just mix it nicely and serve it hot. Very tasty and very easy to make mint rice. Hope you all liked all the recipes I have shared today. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care, and goodbye.